Hello, good evening, friends. A chance encounter will bring you great fortune. Your guardian angels are watching over you. You must believe that. You are going to get great happiness, and they say you have earned your stripes. You have overcome so many problems in your life. They want you to balance your work, your and rest and play, and they say it's important for you to have fun along with fulfilling your responsibilities. Make bold and ambitious choices for yourself. There's great progress possible. And what's possible is that you can have important relationships with people who share your vision. You are going to be protected against negative forces beyond your control, and they say you must come home to yourself. Move on with your life in your own truth. Your angel number card is 1414. It's about possibilities. Building strong foundations creates stability and welcomes in possibilities. All possibilities exist and are amplified when gratitude is felt for the foundations that are in place. You must be grateful for all that is and all that will be. You must trust in the possibilities of what you desire, or even something bigger than that. A magical journey is about to begin, and they say your intuition is going to be your greatest guide. The most difficult part of the situation is over, and you need to focus on the here and now. The angels are with you, helping you bring loyalty, love, and peace back into your relationships. They want you to simplify your life. You have had too much going on and you are spread too thin. You are gaining strength and grace, and that through kindness, self confidence, and forgiveness. You are pursuing your happiness now, and you must take control of your own life story. Something is coming about in your life that is going to take you by surprise. It's going to bring you fresh starts, and Spirit says they are with you and they're guiding you and they love you. They're giving you a thumbs up, a big fat yes for whatever you want to do in your life. Have a good evening, everybody. I love you all.